Most plants don't die suddenly. They show quiet signs long before the final leaf falls, and these signs are easy to miss. To revive a struggling plant, start by paying attention to the small details. Begin with the soil. Gently press your finger into it. If it feels wet, heavy or muddy, the plant has been overwatered. Tilt the pot slightly and allow excess water to drain out. Then place the plant in bright, indirect light to let the soil dry safely. If the soil feels dry, tight, or cracked, the plant is dehydrated or trapped in the wrong mix. Fill a bowl with water and place the pot inside it. Let the soil absorb moisture from the bottom up for about 10 minutes. This gives the roots even hydration without drowning them. Next, check the roots. Lift the plant gently from its pot. If the roots are circling tightly in a dense knot, the plant is root-bound. Loosen the roots softly with your fingers to open them up. Then repot the plant into fresh, airy soil so it can breathe and expand again. Now look at the light. A pale, stretched plant reaching toward a window is begging for better conditions. Move it to a spot where it receives steady, bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh sun and dark corners. Plants need consistency to recover. Finally, reduce stress. Many plants suffer because they are moved too often. Choose one calm, stable location and leave the plant there. When the environment stays steady, the plant can use its energy to grow instead of adapting. Over the next few days, the transformation begins. The soil balances. The roots settle. New growth appears. And the plant that once looked lost starts to regain its color, strength, and posture. Any plant can begin to recover when given the right conditions. Healthy soil, gentle light, free roots, and a stable place to grow. Grow smarter, not harder.